Now, as you are aware from the name of the experiment itself, we will be animating the alphabets that are present in our name. So let's move ahead and talk about the first type of animation that we can apply to the first character. I've already opened the Scratch interface over here, and you have seen that I've already given the name as animating name. So it is very necessary to give a name to the project that you are creating in Scratch. Now, first, this is a sprite. I do not require this particular sprite. So what I will be doing from the sprite panes, I will be deleting this particular sprite. So you are able to see as soon as I delete it, the motion blocks are not available. So I will be clicking on choose a sprite, and you will be able to see over here letters are there. There are different categories: all, animal, people, fantasy, dance, and so on. So I will be going under letters. There are different kinds of letters which you are able to see: glow, normal, story type. I will be selecting the first alphabet, that is block A. Now, clearly you are able to see over here the A sprite is visible to you on your screen. Now what I will be doing over here, I will be going under the looks block. When I click on the looks block, you will be able to see change color effect by 25. Now when you click over here, you are able to see that the sprite is changing its color every now and then. But what is the starting condition for this particular animation? So the starting condition for this animation will be when. So I have to come under the events. Under events, you will be able to see when this sprite is clicked. I will be just running it, nothing happens. When I click on this particular part, you are able to see that as I'm clicking on the sprite, the color of the sprite changes. Or else if you don't want this, so just click on when green flag click. So when green flag click, you will be able to see that the sprite is not changing any color. The sprite is remaining as it is. So over here, again one more time, try this. Yes, so as soon as you are clicking on the sprite will change its color. Done. Trying one more code. Let's see whether it runs or not. So when green flag is clicked, I will be going under control, forever, change color effect, and then I will be going under the control, wait for 1 or 2 seconds. Now let's see what happens when we click on the green flag. You are able to see when I maximize the screen, yes, you will be able to see that the sprite is changing its color. So it is up to you. You can make use of any of the code. The first one that I showed, when sprite is clicked, change color effect by 25, or the second using forever loop. So this was about animating the first character.